Ay! Putak tika. Or kuha mo camera.
Yan, may
Why? Why? No.
Oo.
Yo, what's up mga kabugoks? Yo, for today's video, dito na naman tayo sa panibagong video. Ha? Ulit-ulit ah. Okay.
Babalik,
guys.
Una sa lahat po, pasalamat kay Boss Rino.
Kasi
Pangalawang-
beses yan na kaming nire-reaction videos. Yo.
Kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi, hindi.
Uunlad ba? Parang hindi tayo magbubunga.
Mag-subscribe na kayo sa YouTube, guys. Lapit na mag 1K.
So guys, ito yung YouTube namin. Ito na muna yung TikTok.
Mga TikTok namin, guys. Facebook.
Yan. So, go. Tirayan namin itong street. Kasi wala kami sa street. Nandito kami sa Cement Tower. So, yo.
Fishball, kikyam,
Banat.
Game.
streetball.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Shiro.
Banatan na. Banatan.
Bayad din ba ng Japanese oh? Ay! Putak tika. Ay! Putak tika. Ay! Putak tika. Ay! Putak tika. Ipis ba? Kinabala ko doon na malala.
Unang kagat, ipis agad.
Oo nga, punta pa dito. Kinukwento pa rin pagiging Japanese ko ya. I'm a Japanese boy. When I think 5 years old, I'm...
Wow.
Yes.
English, dali sa nga. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yes.
Ay, ito. English edition lang to.
Yes.
Game. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo, what's up mga bubo? So, we are eating fishball and kikyam and streetball.
Like street foods.
This is the sequence of our,
yes.
Academic school year.
Yes.
Yes.
This is, what is this?
Kikiam. Ay, fish balls. And what is this?
Kikyam nila.
Uy, that's not English, ha?
Sorry.
Where is yours?
Squid ball.
This,
Squid balls?
squid ball.
Yeah.
Squid balls.
This balls
If
is
the food is 1, you called 1.
Yes.
But if
Many.
food is
Many.
so many, it's called foods.
Yes.
Letter S in the logo.
I don't know that.
Yes.
And
I'm an academic school year.
Wow.
and the
Since-
sauce is very, very
Yummy.
delicious. Yes.
I take
You're
that.
like Manny Pacquiao.
No.
No. You're handsome guy.
Yes. You like some? I think Kaunggoy TV, you like John Joseph.
Yes, letters.
Yes, John Joseph. Shout out to you. Just follow guys. Kaunggoy TV. Yeah.
So guys, do you agree, guys? That era is look like karaoke?
You're so bad, huh?
Comment
You're
on the
so bad,
section,
bro.
guys.
Karaoke is so good.
It's so windy,
Oh my God! I think this squid balls.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Tomorrow.
No. We'll finish this food before we go to the second mode. Huh? Before we go.
Before I let you go.
So crispy. Oh my God. I don't feel like this before.
Yes.
Wow, you're so hot in English, ah?
Yeah.
Mother,
Mother, father. Like your mother, father. You should call mother, father. What's that? I don't like her now.
Come to away with me.
What? What did you say?
What did you say? You're human? Yeah, you're human.
Oh my God. Ooh. That's so very like
It's
cold. It's very cold.
It's like someone hug us. Only.
No.
No.
You.
No,
You only.
Only po lang.
Only us.
You no.
Us.
She only. Him only.
Yeah.
Hi, basta you only.
Him only.
Yes.
The squid ball, it's raw. It's not cooked, not yet.
No. That's my cook hair.
Oh my God.
That's my
Your
cook.
bastos, ah? Your mouth.
No.
Your mouth.
Oh, you speak.
It's
It's not bastos. It's
Bastos. I mean, it's It's bad. It's
It's
bad.
not appropriate.
Ayun. Appropriate. Yeah.
Appetizer? No, yeah, appetizer food.
What did you say? Appetizer? By the way, before we eat,
We're eating right
Ay,
now.
hindi, no.
Motherfucker, ah.
I just want to say thank you for everyone who is supporting with us. Supporting us pala. Ay, supporting us.
Yan,
This
guys.
one, ah?
No, supporting us.
And guys, thank you for the support.
Yes, yes.
Since day one, guys. Thank you
Thank you for following us.
Thank you for
We'll
reaching.
not forget you. How?
Yeah,
yeah.
We'll not
My-
forget you guys.
My friends,
also,
day ones. Yeah, we don't forget that because if we small and big,
Yes. And we're,
You
and
get-
we're al- and
okay.
we're almost 1K.
yeah, views. Ay, 1K subscriber in
Yes.
YouTube channel. Kaya, and please supporting us.
Yes.
And, panan?
Please support us, guys, and we will make some very good content for you guys.
Yes. You make me happy, ha? Ay, you are make happy.
We will make you happy.
Yes, yes, you're correct. You're
Yes.
correct. You're I forgot it kasi.
Motherfather.
No. No, I'm passing food.
I can... Uy, gagawin yun. May bulala ako.
Uy, English.
There's someone bulala. There's some...
Astronaut. Ayun, nature.
Moon. Saturn.
Nature.
Jupiter. Ha?
Meteor.
Nature you call that. Don't others.
Make your garden.
No.
F
F4, F3.
F3.
Tokinis na.
Powerpuff Girls.
Tokinito.
Huh? Powerpuff Girls? Ano daw? Ay, English only,
I
English.
didn't understand you, bro.
Yeah.
Motherfather.
I'm from US, by the way, and
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
I'm from India.
I'm from Brazil.
Ooh, what's Brazil? I don't happy. Let's
Time check.
finish.
9:25.
Let's
9:25
finish
AM.
this food. Oh my god. Very long, huh? By the way,
Oh, wow. What?
wala pa. Ay,
What?
don't want.
Motherfather? Oh, by the way, what are you
By
saying?
the way, in my school, since I'm in kindergarten, I was good in English, best in science, best in math, like something like that. Yeah. Actually, since elementary, since my God, kindergarten to high school, I'm one in class. I just know malaki myself, not off myself. I just
About you,
your academic stud.
Yeah.
Studs pala.
He's boxing right now, guys.
Oh, boxer.
Oh.
Uy. Yo. You look so good, man. Fuck you, huh? Ikaw naman. Ganito ka. Ganito ka. Stop.
Nilalagay ko
No. I just sent it to you later. Oh my god. Guys, we don't badge others. We don't bully. We
Yeah.
just
Having some
nice
fun
time.
to enjoy with you.
Yes. Some entertainment thing for
Just to ano.
Parang may sumigaw dito.
don't
There's
talk later. You don't go into the story. So by the way, that guys, let's talk about our country. It's very sad for me because
America.
so many corrupt in this
Philippines.
Philippines. Yeah, so bad.
And,
ito.
it's so sad. Oh, what you?
What part of Philippines are you Do you think it's
Very,
Okay,
very. For me is Boracay.
Boracay?
What?
Yeah.
What can you?
What the?
Can you?
Your mouth is very some water.
Can you try again the question, please?
Yes.
Okay, what
what
What one thing that you're like about the Philippines?
for me, I will answer first. For me, it's the Filippo. Filippo, because people in this Philippines.
What?
Just finish my speech.
Okay, wait.
Because Filipinos people is very welcome. Welcome to our halimbawa sa English speaking.
Example.
Example sa mga dayuhan.
For the fun.
Yeah, fun. Foreigners. Yeah. Foreign nation. Yeah, that's like something like that.
About you in your country.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you're so mali.
Racist. Racist.
Yes.
No, that's not racism.
You're so fucking yuck. I don't mura because
Bad words.
I don't say bad words. Yeah. I'm so good. I know in myself. Okay. You answer and don't talk about later that. It's done. Wala. Let's finish this and we are going to
Most innocent is your couple. Father.
We're growing now. We are going 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah, 10 years.
Yeah,
We're celebrating. Basta sineselebrate namin kada
What?
buwan.
Celebrating.
Anniversary.
No. What you call anniversary.
Ah.
My anniversary with her. With you. With me.
With him.
With you.
With him.
January 1.
I know why is January 1?
Why?
Happy New Year, everyone.
Hey!
You are you.
Happy New Year!
Nice thinking. You think of that?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Kamo. Happy birthday everyone, kamo.
Happy birthday, everyone.
No, ganito ka. No, like this. Happy birthday, Raker. Happy birthday, Kerax.
Huh?
Happy birthday, Kerax. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kendra. We love you.
Yeah. Nice.
Good job.
Oh, no, you will see later.
Gusto ka rin.
No,
No?
you're so cool. You're cool.
Ang cool na?
Cool?
You're mahirap. Something like that, motherfucker. See? You like this or not?
I'm thirsty already. I will choke na.
Or kuha mo camera?
Yeah, my
Why? Why?
No. Oo. Kunin mo muna. Kunin mo.
Dito lang ako, nako.
Ano ba? Talaga ako natin, Carl. Where?
Wala na, may pala ka.
Where?
Uy, ba? Di ba tapusin yun?
Oo, tapusin natin. Uy! Oo, wala na yung soy! Uy! Gusto daw ako, ha? Gusto daw ako, ha? Uy! Uy, hindi ko mababisan mo! Buset! So guys, we are not, we scared so much. Someone with us.
Someone scream in my side. I said someone
Hearing, huh? You like that, like that.
Scream. I don't know if the camera
Show it. Just here.
here. Yes.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry guys to
We are going away.
yes. And
But we promise to you guys we'll back stronger.
yes, the
Mentally and physically. What are you laughing? What are you laughing?